We're here at our Kathmandu Tower Junction store this morning as we kick off B Corp Month for March. B Corp gives us a globally recognizable standard to measure our impact with. Here at Kathmandu, we are committed to creating gear that lasts and really driving innovation through responsible materials, reducing our waste, and protecting the planet that we love to be out adventuring in. We're so excited to have our REDU collection here. REDU is a really exciting program that Kathmandu launched in 2023 to make sure that our gear is in use for as long as possible. So we take used gear and repair it, wash it, and resell it so that this gear can last as long as possible. Circularity is really important for us here at Kathmandu. It starts with designing and innovating sustainable materials and making sure that we have high quality in our goods, but then having programs like REDU that keep our product in circulation for longer. Since 2023, we're so proud that we've renewed almost 11,000 items and put them back into circulation. At Kathmandu Tower Junction for the month of March, we'll be running a station on the weekends so that your minor repairs can be fixed. Anything from a broken zipper to a small rip, bring it in and keep your gear in use for longer.